Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Sewing with Miss Leanne on Wednesdays. So keep in mind, every sewing machine is different. Now I know that when it comes to sewing, that your bobbin may look different. So make sure and look through your manual what type of bobbin you need to use. So the first thing you need to thread a bobbin is the thread. So as you can see on my thread spool holder, I already had put my thread over there. Now this right here on the top is called a wind tension disc. Why? Is because when we're winding to wind our bobbin, we do need some tension. What I do is I take my thread and I go around the tension disc like this, like in a circular motion once. And once that is done, I take my bobbin. This small little thing on the top there is called a bobbin winder. So that's where I'm going to push my bobbin on like this. I'm going to press it down. Once it's stuck in, I'm going to push it inwards to the bobbin holder like that. The next thing is actually really up to you. On the bobbin, you see that there is a little hole. Now, most people, when they want to wind their bobbin, they put the thread through the hole so that it holds the thread when it's winding. But for me, that doesn't work. I don't know why. So what I do is I take my thread and I pull it a little bit, and I now take my thread and round it, the bobbin in the same circular motion is going to move. Now make sure that these two threads don't come into contact with each other. So the next thing what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to plug in my sewing machine. So I'm just plugging in my sewing machine. There we go, and I had left my light on. So I just want to show you something. If your hand wheel is inside, you find that it's going to make the needle move. So we don't want that. We don't want the needle to move. We want the bobbin to move. So I'm gonna pull out. If you want to know that your bobbin is done winding, it starts to move a little bit slow, and the bobbin holder, as you can see, makes it a little slow. You can see. And that is how you wind a bobbin. Very easy, very simple, very fun. Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull. Very simple. Mind my singing. I know it's very, very, very bad. But that's how you wind a bobbin. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up for me. And please make sure to click that subscribe button if you want to know more about sewing.